Have you ever wondered why frogs never drink water? It's a curious question, isn't it? The answer is even more intriguing. Frogs absorb water directly through their skin, essentially drinking in the moisture around them. This unique method of hydration is just one of the remarkable aspects of these amphibians. Now, let's leap into the vast world of frogs, a world teeming with diversity. From the minute poison dart frogs of Central and South America, whose vibrant colors warn of their toxicity, to the enormous Goliath frogs of West Africa, each species has its own intriguing story. Frogs inhabit every corner of the globe, adapting to environments as varied as tropical rainforests, arid deserts, and frigid mountain peaks. Their adaptability and resilience are truly astonishing. Frogs have been around for over 250 million years, and they're more diverse than you may think. So, let's hop along and discover the incredible world of frogs. From egg to tadpole to adult, a frog's life is a fascinating journey. Let's delve into this captivating passage of life. It all starts with an egg, a tiny sphere filled with potential. The eggs are often laid in clusters, floating on water, waiting for the miracle of life to begin. Then comes the tadpole stage, where the transformation truly begins. Tadpoles, aquatic and fish-like, start to morph gradually. The first noticeable change is the growth of hind legs. These tiny appendages will eventually support them on land. As the tadpole continues to change, the tail, once an essential tool for swimming, starts to shrink. Concurrently, the lungs develop for the first time, preparing the tadpole for life in the air. The metamorphosis doesn't stop there. The front legs sprout, and the tadpole's mouth widens, adapting to a new diet. Finally, the tail disappears completely, and the transformation is complete. The tadpole is now a fully grown adult frog. The frog's journey from egg to adult is truly a biological marvel. Did you know that a frog's tongue can capture an insect in 0.07 of a second? Now that's faster than a blink of an eye. This lightning-fast action is just one of the many unique abilities that frogs possess. Their tongues, coated in a sticky mucus, can stretch to 3 times the length of their bodies to snatch unsuspecting prey. And it's not just their tongues that are impressive. Frogs are also known for their powerful leaps. Some species can jump up to 20 times their body length in a single bound, making them the long jump champions of the animal kingdom. Beyond their acrobatic feats, frogs can survive in some of the harshest conditions. Certain species can withstand freezing temperatures by producing a kind of natural antifreeze that protects their vital organs. With their unique abilities, frogs are truly extraordinary creatures. Frogs play a vital role in maintaining the balance of our ecosystems. Now you might be wondering, how exactly do these small amphibians contribute so significantly to our environment? Well, it's a bit of a two-pronged answer. Firstly, frogs are an integral part of the food chain. They feast on insects, helping to keep their populations in check. This is particularly beneficial for us humans, as many of these insects are pests that can harm crops and spread diseases. Secondly, frogs themselves are a favorite meal for a variety of predators, including birds, snakes, and even other larger frogs. This makes them a crucial link in the food chain, connecting the insect and small invertebrate world to the larger predators. But their role extends beyond their place in the food chain. Frogs are known as indicator species. Their presence or absence can signal the health of an ecosystem. A decline in frog populations often points to problems in the environment. Without frogs, our ecosystems would be drastically different. Sadly, frogs are facing numerous threats, and many species are on the brink of extinction. One of the greatest threats to these remarkable creatures is habitat loss. As we continue to expand our cities and agriculture, we're reducing the spaces where frogs can thrive. Climate change is another major issue. As temperatures rise and weather patterns shift, frogs, which are remarkably sensitive to their environment, are finding it increasingly difficult to survive. Pollution, too, is taking a toll. Chemicals from industry and agriculture seep into waterways, poisoning frogs and their food sources. Then there's disease. Pathogens, like the deadly chytrid fungus, are decimating frog populations worldwide. Yet despite these challenges, there is hope. Conservation efforts can help. From creating protected habitats to reducing pollution and combating climate change, We have the tools to safeguard these amazing animals. It's up to us to protect these fascinating creatures and the vital role they play in our world.